It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. Lidl have come out with a, what did I call it? A copycat Greg's range of foods. So here are the sausage rolls. They cook in 26 minutes on gas mark 7, or if you've got a fan assisted oven, it's 220 Celsius, is it? So there's 4 sausage rolls in there. They were £1.50. What's interesting about this box, and I'll be very quick with this because it's really, well, is it interesting? I don't know, maybe, is that each box has different weights. They're all the same size box, but they got different weights. The sausage rolls are 424 grams. The steak bakes are, where do we find that? 280 grams. And they feel an awful lot lighter, the steak bakes. And the chicken bakes are 306 grams. So sausage rolls, if you want more for your money, buy the sausage rolls. If you want steak bakes, they're going to be not much for your money. And the chicken bakes are a little bit more, they're kind of in between. They all cost £1.50. They all go in the oven for about, well, these are 30 minutes. 30 minutes for the steak bakes and 26 minutes for the sausage rolls. So I'm going to go away now, stick the chicken bakes in the oven, the steak bakes in the oven, the sausage rolls in the oven, and I'll be back giving a look at it all when it's all cooked. Okay, so the food is ready. I decided, because I think my wife would like a couple of these and maybe the kids would as well, I decided to cook the lot. Gas prices are through the roof. It would be silly to bake half of them, tell my family what I ate for my dinner, and them to go, oh, well, I would have liked one of those. So I thought, let's cook the lot. They're all going to get eaten. So the chicken bakes are, let's see if I can grab this without dropping it. The chicken bakes are there, sausage rolls are there, steak bakes over there. So I'm going to start off with a sausage roll. You can see the steak bake. You can see it steaming away there. Right, so sausage roll. This is a Lidl, £1.50 for 4. Sausage roll. I just got pastry everywhere. All broke everywhere. So, nice bit of sausage in the middle. Lovely crispy pastry. The pastry, and I don't know if this is a thing. I don't watch any cooking stuff on the telly, no cooking programs. You won't see me watching Gordon Oliver or Jamie Ramsey. You won't see me watching any of that stuff. So I don't know if this is a thing, but it feels like the pastry's made out of glass. It feels like the pastry's really brittle. Like as soon as I'm biting it, it's like kind of like exploding shards of pastry in the inside of my mouth. So the pastry is okay. The sausage roll is, well, it's that lovely pork sausage meat mixed with, it's more like a wheat, mixed with a wheat or a, it's not 100% meat. It's, in fact, let's have a look. Let's have a look, because I'm interested and I'm sure you're interested too. Wheat flour. Wheat flour. So the pork content is 21% pork seasoning. So the sausage roll is nice. I like it. Bearing in mind, it's £1.50 for 4 of these, or when I bought them about 3 months ago, they were £1.50 for 4. Maybe they've gone up a little bit in price now. I think we're going to go next up, we're going to go chicken bake. And one of the chicken bakes, as you can see, maybe burning our hands here, but one of the chicken bakes has exploded. The middle is lovely and creamy and rich. Is the pastry made out of glass? Let's have a look. Actually, the pastry is better on the chicken bake than it is the sausage roll. It's got a nice soft underbelly, slightly crispy golden pastry that's nice and soft and layered. The chicken bake is lovely. Nice bits of chicken. It's chicken breast. Of course, these things hold their temperature a little bit more than the sausage roll will. Liquids, that kind of chicken liquidy sauce will always stay warmer than the sausage roll. But that is lovely. Slightly dry. I would say the pastry is given a slightly kind of dry mouthfeel. Maybe that's the salt content, I don't know. But when you get to that juice, that juiciness is rather lovely. Whoa. Hot. Very hot. So that's the steak bake. That was the chicken bake. Let's move over to the steak bake. So again, we got a little bit of leakage going on. Crispy looking pastry, soft underbelly. Looks good. Looks really good. And the benefit, I want to say very quickly, the benefit of cooking all of these together on a tray is that you can turn it slightly lower and you can cook it for a little bit longer. And they'll all cook at the same time. You won't burn, like we haven't burnt the sausage rolls. Everything cooked up nicely at the same time. I wasn't looking at cooking times. I was kind of like, put them all on a tray, get them in the oven. They'll all come up to temperature nicely and cook correctly. Right, steak bake. Oh yeah. Already, after one bite, I'm thinking, I've left the best till last. It's a lovely, rich gravy. Oh, hot. The beef is tender. The chicken was tender too, I forgot to mention that. The chicken in the steak bake was tender. But this beef, wow, it's lovely and tender. Yeah. Yeah. This is my favourite by a long shot. The gravy is fantastic. The pastry is lovely. I don't know what happened to the sausage roll pastry. I don't know what happened. It just felt a bit brittle. But the pastry on the chicken bake and the steak bake, yeah, pretty damn good. So, I was just about to say something else, and then I want to bring it back to the steak bake because I just had a lovely kind of peppery taste on that last bite with the gravy. So like a peppery gravy steak flavour going on. So here's my question as I dust down off all of the pastry that's fallen all over the place here. All over me. Is it better than Greggs? I bought these Greggs Bake at Home things before. They're alright. They're alright. Absolutely fine. But value for money, Lidl, value for money, as of a few months ago, I gotta say, I've had these in the freezer for a few months. For value for money, for £1.50 a pack, for the sausage rolls, the chicken bakes, the steak bakes, I think it's fantastic value for money. If you've got a family of 4, I mean, I've eaten some of that already, and there's a load of food there. A load of food. If you've got a family of 4, you got some chunky oven chips in your freezer, then you've just made a meal. Bang them in the oven, bang some chunky chips in the oven, dip your chunky chips in your steak bake, absolutely job done. David Wood Baking Limited, Bolton, the land of Fred Dibner. Right. You can tell which is my favourite because I'm finishing it. Well, that is lovely. Absolutely lovely. So, sausage roll. Sausage roll. Not bad. Not bad, but a bit crumbly. And having that last bite then, a little bit salty. 6 out of 10 for the sausage roll. Chicken bake. Wow. Oh, hot. Chicken bake, much better. The chicken bake, for me, is an 8 out of 10. But the winner, and I've already eaten it, is the steak bake. Absolutely fantastic value for money. I'd say 9 out of 10 for the steak bake. 9 out of 10 for the steak bake. These are really good value for money. Lidl, What's Cooking, sausage rolls, chicken bakes, steak bakes. Go out and grab them. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.